Which fruit is this? Kiwi, watermelon, or lime? Green on the outside, red watermelon inside. Which fruit is this? Pineapple, honeydew melon, or papaya? Spiky on the outside, golden yellow pineapple inside. Which fruit is this? Passion fruit, dragon fruit, or kiwi? A dragon fruit. Pink, spiky outside, white inside with tiny black seeds. Which fruit is this? Jackfruit, guava, or sugar apple? A jackfruit has a green bumpy outside and yellow inside. Which fruit is this? Rambutan, lychee, or passion fruit? Lychee is red and bumpy outside, juicy white inside. Which fruit surprised you the most?